Okay then guys, I just thought I'd show you the latest live worksheet. I'll be putting it up on Google Play in a couple of days time, maybe tomorrow if I get enough things done. Just checking it out now. But this one's on curve sketching, so it takes you through polynomials. I don't know, there's 20 or so questions on polynomials here. So the idea is to click on a question, have a go first if you can, and then
y equals brackets x plus 3, bracket x minus 2 times bracket.
so you'll see that it just basically works out how to sketch a curve.
When x gets large negative, y tends to negative. When x gets large positive, y tends to positive. What's new?
And it's also got a tool plotter as well.
So let's do that one.
So you can see that the tool plotter is arrayed below. So basically we do polynomials, we do rational functions, and then we do some other functions like exponentials and logs, and combinations of and trig functions as well. So there's a whole array of curve sketching problems here if you'd have a look at. There's a PDF file actually down here that you can click on and download on one of these labels here. Worksheet PDF is there. And then there's recommended apps. But I wanted to show you some of the tools that are in this live worksheet this time actually. There's a plotter, which I use most of the time when I'm checking the plots are correct. And here you can plot in what function you want. So if I just make this large, and you see I've plotted in a function here, you generally press the submit, and then it generates a plot for you. So you can type in any function, the bounds, put the bounds in of course, and then it'll generate the plot for you. So there's the plotter tool. There's other tools as well. There's a differentiator tool. So if you want to check out and find the derivative function, if I can press the button correctly, here's the differentiator, and you can find the first or second derivative, whichever one you prefer, and type in your function, submit it, and then you can work out the answer, generates the answer here for you. So that's the derivative tool. There's also a turning points calculator which I've put in, which works out the x-coordinate of the turning points in a particular curve. So if you want to find out the turning points, check you've got them itemized correctly. So here I've put in solve d by dx equals 0, submit, but you must put it in a bracket, so I've done that there, and then it works out the solutions here for this problem. It gives you the roots, the solution to that turning point problem there. So that's that. And also polynomial divider. Sometimes it's difficult to do division by polynomial, it's really awkward. So I put a divisor of polynomials here, little tool. So I put in some template example to start with, and you can put in whatever polynomials you want of course, and then not only does it makes sure you've got the right inputs, and then it tells you what the answer is, the quotient and the remainder. But it also does the step-by-step solutions as well here. So you can see the actual step-by-step solutions. So that's that tool. So there's a whole array of tools as I just showed you briefly here. There's an email math queue of course, as usual. If you've got any questions, click on that and it'll send in an email. There's a worksheet PDF as well, and a whole array of other little tools, bits and bobs here as well. So just wanted to show the latest live worksheet. As I say, I'll be putting it up on Google Play under the name Curve Sketching 1. In a day or two's time. So all the best then guys, and I'll catch you again. Cheers!